Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Ember app. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this simple instruction to download it. So if you are an iOS user, you have to open a Google Play Store. If you are an Android user, you can directly search on the web also, and you can download from a Google Play Store. So here I am searching into the web, and here I will directly search for the Ember app. Okay, so here we can see the Ember temperature app. Here we can just click on here. So from here you can directly click on the install app right here, and it will automatically download and install the app in my phone. So by this way you can do it, and if you want to give the ratings to app, you can scroll down and give it here, and if you want to read the ratings from here, you can read it. So by this way you can just do it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.